right, so today we have a very special event. Steven, what is it called? A complete...
It's an actuator valve, low profile pop-up valve.
Complete kit?
Complete kit. Body, gears, lid, everything for you. Water's draining down. Let's just see how far down it goes. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right. About here, on that zone.
Ooh.
But it's bobbing.
Oh,
so the water flow shouldn't be too crazy. The heads are kind of helping out. Should be good there.
So what ultimately happened with this gear?
The lid cracked, and then his gear kit is just completely stripped out. None of the pop-ups were coming up, cycling zones.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Well, out with the old. In with the new.
Try and sand off all the paint. If there's any extra glue, kind of sand it all nice and smooth. Where we got white pipe, go in pretty smooth. We'll come up with a coupler. Just 90 up, 90 back down. That way I'm not working with all the pipes. All the way up the coupler. Beauty. Paint will hide that.
You can see right down into the
You can kind of see down in. And where our coupler is, it's almost plumbed all the way to the top.
Oh yeah, yeah, I can see the little glue line there. Cool.
Definitely gonna let that set for an hour before I think about running the system, but we'll get the 90 and the rest of it plumbed in.
A lot of pressure in that thing with all the,
especially pop-ups.
Yeah.
It's a lot better if you put down a fitting and then rotate it, but here you just got to make sure you get an even coat all the way around both sides, and it should set pretty well. We'll run it here in about a half hour or so, make sure we've got no leaks, and then I'll paint the pipes. We got the little bottom shoe. As the gears rotate, it lifts up every single flap, sends water to 3 of the zones in the pool, and activates some of the pop-ups, and that's how they clean. Nice and tight.
Just seeing all those gears, yeah. Makes sense why stuff just breaks down, like the little gears getting broken over time, or
they
like
wear
chlorine
down.
just beating them up. Yeah.
Grab a wrench, tighten her down.
that seems like it's about it, huh? A little paint and
That's about it. Pressure test it, make sure we got no leaks. Let it cycle through every single zone. So I'm going to watch the pop-up heads. They're going to start off on the steps. Want to cycle the floor, 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 back to the steps. And there's no leaks on any of these pipes, then I will paint it. And that's all she wrote. System is running. No leaks.